Now one day I'm gonna to Malta to a big hotel. In the morning I'll go down to eat a breakfast, and I tell the waitress I want 2 pieces of toast. She bring me only 1 piece. I tell her I want 2 pieces. She tell me to go to the toilet. I say you don't understand, I want 2 pieces on my plate. She say you better no piece on the plate, you son of a bitch. I don't even know the lady, and she calling me a son of a bitch. Later I go to eat at a big restaurant, and the waitress, she bring me a spoon and a knife, but no fork. I tell her I want the fork. She say everyone want a fork. I say you don't understand, I want a fork on the table. She say you better not fork on the table, you son of a bitch. I don't even know the lady, and she calling me a son of a bitch. So I go back to my room in the hotel, and there's no sheets on the bed. I call the manager, I say I want a sheet. He say, go to the toilet. I say, you don't understand, I want a sheet on my bed. He say, you better not sheet on the bed, you son of a bitch. So I go to the checkout, and the man at the desk say, peace on you. I say, peace on you too, you son of a bitch. I go back to Italia. Arrivederci.